Assalamu alaikum respected students. Hope so you are fine. Today we will discuss why pH of pure water is greater than 7 at 10 degrees Celsius. To answer this question, first we understand the auto-ionization of water, in other words auto-dissociation reaction of water. Basically, water molecule naturally dissociate to very small extent at room temperatures. Okay, water self-ionize to the hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion. One molecule dissociate to the other molecules. Okay, one molecule dissociated into hydronium ion by accepting the proton, other converted into the hydroxyl ion. Okay, hope so you understand this concept. Next, auto-ionization of water is basically endothermic process. It means heat is absorbed in this process. At equilibrium, extent of this reaction is described by the equilibrium constant of water, that is represented by Kw. We know that Kw is equal to hydronium ion multiply with the hydroxyl ion. We can write hydronium ion with H positive. In other words, you can say it high proton ions. Just only protons. Okay. At 25 Celsius, basically pure water, at the result of auto-ionization, number of hydrogen ions are equal to hydroxyl ion. At 25 Celsius, the value of auto-ionization of water is exactly 1 multiplied by 10 to raise minus 14. You can say also only 10 to raise minus 14 at 25 Celsius. Okay, if we divide into two parts at 10 to raise minus 14, half part is for the half of value is for the hydronium or for the hydrogen ion, other half part is for the hydroxyl ion. For example, 10 to raise minus 7 is for the hydroxyl ion and 10 to raise minus 7 for the hydrogen ions. Okay, understand? If we change this value 10 to raise minus 7 for the hydrogen ions into the pH, we know that negative log of hydrogen ions is known as pH. The answer is 7. In other words, at 25 Celsius, pH of the water is 7. Okay, for the endothermic process, increasing the temperature favor the forward reaction, and conversely decreasing the temperature favor the reverse reaction. And we know that at 10 Celsius temperature is lower than 25 Celsius. Its mean at 10 degrees Celsius ionization constant of water decreases to about 2.93 multiplied by 10 to raise 15. It drops because of endothermic nature. Reaction will be reversed. Its mean at this point, if we calculate its pH, the pH by calculating the pH same we performed previously, 2.93 10 to raise minus 15 divided into two parts, one for the hydrogen ions, one for the hydroxyl ions. The answer is 5.41 10 to raise minus 10 molar. Its mean pH at 10 degrees Celsius is 7.25. Finally, at 25 Celsius, pH is 7. At 10 degrees Celsius, 7.27. It means 7.27 is greater than 7. So, pH is greater as lower temperatures. Pure water is slightly basic, its meaning fewer hydrogen ions are relative to the hydroxyl ion, but still neutral. Overall, hydronium ion are equal to hydroxyl ion. Where is a strange mechanism? Values show that pH is higher at lower temperature as compared to the 25 Celsius. But always keep in mind values are number of hydrogen ions always equal to the hydroxyl ions.